This Century 21 all-service property video is presented by Ken Cobb. Welcome home to the Charles West Scott House. This gorgeous home has had lots of love and renovations over the last few years, bringing it back to its grand splendor. And number 8239, the house was designed by architect R.C. Burkholder in the late 1800s for Charles West Scott, the founder of Lynchburg's early telephone company. Be part of the hip downtown area with this 5-bedroom, 3-bath Victorian gem. Be the mansion's beautiful hardwood floors throughout are original, and the space includes a large, updated kitchen, new central HVAC, 2 efficient heat pumps throughout, and historic coal fireplaces, non-operable, in most of the rooms. From the moment you enter the elegant foyer, you can feel the timeless charm. Walk to restaurants, shops, and the community market. Close to Randolph College, University of Lynchburg, Liberty University, and Sweet Briar College, Lynchburg General Hospital, and Virginia Baptist Hospital. And number 8200.